Um, the main factor that keeps me in Auroville is family. Now I have family in Auroville. My partner is from Auroville. And the second factor that keeps me in Auroville is when I moved to Auroville, I wasn't very sure why I was brought here. And with time, I realized that there are many things that I can participate in, and I'm quite knowledgeable in few fields where Auroville was lacking structure. And over time, I realized that I can slowly contribute to all of those places. So, family and meaning that keeps me in Auroville. Auroville has given me sort of a purpose in life and sort of an understanding that I can participate in something bigger than myself. Last 5 years, as per me, have taught Auroville that no matter what happens, change will keep on happening. So it's change is like a flow of a river. It will happen. No matter how much we try to hold on to something, it will move, it will change, it will shape itself in a different way. So be progressive, stop limiting personal growth. Regarding things I've learned in Auroville, it's a huge platform to learn. I have learned a lot of things, but primarily what I've learned is to not limit myself in prejudice of others and just continue growing and keep doing my work that I'm doing, plus participate in whatever I can participate in and contribute wherever I can contribute. And it increased my knowledge, and I am very in thirst of knowledge continuously. So for me, it was a beneficial point to live here and learn even about learning about the human factor, like how humans also change and how their changes will also participate in my growth. What gives me hope? Right now, the hope is a very bleak term in Auroville, as per my understanding. Why? Simply because the administration is not providing any kind of hopeful situations where, like, maybe there is a future house possibility, maybe there is a future prosperity possibility. So none of those are coming. So hope is very difficult. But then I have family here now. That family keeps me together. Family makes me feel hopeful that yeah, they lived in Auroville. My partner is born in Auroville, and through their experience, I still believe that what was happening before will continue to happen, and people will still continue to share, prosper together instead of individual prosperity. So that's my hope. Even if system doesn't work, people will still work. Prosperity in Auroville will mean that we stop begging outsiders for support and have an internal system that works for everyone. That means we have internal education, we have internal systems of providing any kind of financial supports to all the projects that exist in Auroville and not depend on government grants and depend upon individual self capacities to earn and help businesses and startups from Auroville grow. Yeah, no matter how many disagreements we have, we should not block business ideas. We should not block economical prosperity. We should not block schools from growing and increasing in the student capacity. And we should also create a safer environment for families to feel like they can have kids and it's a safe place to live in. The safe place, according to me, would be where I'm not scared that, like, oh, if I have a child tomorrow, how much of financial debt I am in, how much of I don't have a house right now. So how will I have a house? How will I provide security for a family that I'm about to have? So that's one point of security. Like I cannot think of a place right now to provide if I expend my family. Then I do not I see a lot of problems in the administrative staff, status to be precise, where it is very common now to target certain individuals using their status in Auroville. This status symbol in Auroville is becoming a problem personally for me, where I feel that it makes an unsafe environment. So if we take out that possibility of controlling their status, then we are in a safer space. That will create a safer space where, like, a child does not have to leave because they don't have a particular status in Auroville, even though they are 3 months old. What I would do collectively to create this safe space is trust the youth to have capacity and adequate knowledge. We have a lot of experts in younger category as well. It's not only the older people who are like very well knowledge and everything. We have younger people who have studied very well. Like we have a lot of people who have masters in economics, and I would say, like, trust them to create a situation and solutions for themselves. Let them have a chance. Let them have a choice to operate instead of blocking them into a marginalization of income, marginalization of ideas. Everything is controlled right now, and the youth, even though they have expertise, cannot do anything about it. I would say let them explore, let them have a voice, let them have a option to participate in economical activities, in financial activities, in healthcare activities, in providing ideas for the future of Auroville. Let them explore the options of providing support to elderlies. Let them have an option to provide support for administration. Have younger generation be available. They are available, but acknowledge their expertise as well. The current administration, I would like them to open up the channel to have participation. Right now, it feels like there are certain families only in the administration. It feels like it. It might not be true, but it does feel like in the last 4 years, none of the administration has changed. Like, there are always the same people, and they are always being accused of blockages. And none of the young people have been given any sort of placement in this so-called administration as of now. So I would say, like, participation would be a first step. And after participation, also making them responsible for documentation. Like, if administration has to provide documentation, they will feel more responsible, and that would be a step towards solution of creating harmony. When there is a documentation, people will see, oh, it's not just talks. We can see, we can read, we can identify what is happening. And I'm pretty sure everyone in Auroville is smart enough to read properly. So if there is a documentation to read, I'm pretty sure that will solve the second step of not having trust right now. My message for community is to find a way to harmonize different ideas, and instead of creating a blockages, try to see the benefits and give everyone a benefit of doubt. Do not assume that everyone is against you. Give them a benefit of doubt and demand documentation. I would say the word demand because I really believe that we have a lack of documentation in every aspect in Auroville. So give everyone a benefit of doubt, smile to them, and then demand for a documentation. That would be my message to the community.